Today I'd like to show you how to make the easiest glass eye ever. Recently I made a dragon eye book and I thought that I was going to paint something underneath the glass cabochon that I bought, and it just happened that I had a photograph that I found that was more perfect, and when you see it, it just looks so realistic. So you'll need to buy one of these glass cabochons. I bought mine online. I can put a link in the description. And the first thing I did was to surround it with polymer clay and bake that so that it was nice and stable. And then as you can see here, it's pretty much done. All you need to do is insert a photograph that suits behind the glass once it's baked. You could use almost any photo and just try different ones that you have. This photograph is of a jellyfish, and you wouldn't have thought it when it was underneath, but it was just so perfect. To secure the photograph to the back of the glass, I didn't use glue. All I did was I used some tape and taped it to the polymer clay where I wanted it. As you can see, you can move it around, adjust it, but it is just so simple. And one of the best results that I've seen, to be honest. There's so many complex ways of making eyes.